Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use UPBASE, a powerful tool for HR team management. First things first, log into your UPBASE account. If you haven't got an account yet, head over to upbase.com to create one. This is the gateway to unlocking all the functionalities that UPBASE offers for effective HR management. Now that we're logged in, let's go straight to your dashboard. Here, you will find different modules, such as Team, HR, Reports, and more. Now let's focus on the Team module. The reason we do this is because this module is integral for managing your team's daily activities, tasks, and projects. Next up, click on Add Member to add your team members. All you need is their email address, and UPBASE will send them an invitation to join your team. This helps us because it ensures that everyone is on the same platform, making communication and collaboration much easier. After your team is set up, it's time to assign roles. Navigate to the Roles tab under Settings. Here, you can assign various roles like admin, manager, or employee to your team members. This is essential as it defines each member's access and permissions within UPBASE, ensuring a streamlined workflow. Now let me explain why this matters. By effectively managing your team on UPBASE, you're ensuring effective communication, collaboration, and performance tracking, all in one place. Finally, let's explore the Reports feature. Here, you can generate reports on various metrics like task completion, time tracking, and more. This is a must-do because these reports provide valuable insights into your team's performance, helping you make informed management decisions. And there you have it. You're now equipped to use UPBASE for effective HR team management. Remember, the key is to ensure that each team member understands their role and uses UPBASE to its full potential. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep managing smartly with UPBASE.